Hello my fellow gangsters. This is how I take screenshots in all the different screen dimensions for all the different iPads and stuff for the App Store. So here they've got like 2732 by 2048 and like 2796 by whatever, and then another one and another one. And you need to take all these different dimensions. So what I do is I have a script to take screenshots. I have this screenshot game object, and on it I have my script, and then I write down all the different dimensions that I need a screenshot of in this list that I can just add to. And then I also have the location, which is a folder on my desktop called screenshots. I make a build of the game for Windows, even though it's a mobile game. I make it so that I can at least play it in Windows, and then I right click with the mouse, and that triggers taking a screenshot, and then it will cycle through all the different dimensions, and then it saves it into a folder. So now the problem with this is that my desktop resolution is smaller than, like, it has a smaller height than 2048, but if you have like a ultra big 4K monitor or something, it would be fine, but I don't. But I found a setting for my video card. There's this NVIDIA control panel. Disclaimer: there was a warning that this next step could damage your display, so only do it at your own risk if you choose to. I'm not responsible. It might not be a good idea. I set adjust desktop size and position, and I put it onto GPU, and then in change resolution I went customize and create a new resolution. I made one like way bigger, so I double this and 288, because I need one bigger than 2048 for height. And now I have it up here, but when I clicked on it, it didn't work. But then when I went to manage 3D settings, and there's DSR factors, and I put this to 4 times. And then when I went to change resolution, now it's right here underneath PC, and I can choose that and apply it. So now I'm in this crazy ultra resolution. And here's my screenshots folder. So when I play the game on here, this would normally be filling my entire screen. So I go and I find something I want a screenshot of, like this cat.
Oh, kitty!
I right click, it resizes it, takes a screenshot. You can see my folder here of screenshots getting added at each dimension that I had in the list. So now I want to take a screenshot of something else.
Should we go? Alright, here we go.
Let's get this guy. And it will just populate it, resize. It gives it a second for all the canvas stuff to update to the right position, because it all kind of automatically positions itself. And I just go grab all my screenshots. And I get one of the sketchy clown guy. I want to get a screenshot of this ghost girl.
What are you doing here? You're all... heard a whisper.
This is probably my favorite part that I made.
What was that? Did you guys hear that? Oh, I don't feel so well. Ow! Ow!
Oh my goodness.
I don't feel so well.
I like that. Get the Lola was here and the guy chasing. And that'll do. So now I've got all my screenshots in this folder. And on the App Store, let's see, for whatever this one, they want 2008 1242. So I have one that's 2208 1242, and it accepts it. And then another edit 2688. Okay, good. And what? 2796 by 1290. Got one for that. And on the iPad, 2732 by 2048. 2732 by 248. That works for both. Alright, so then I just add all my pictures in. And on Google Play, I believe I can just use the exact same ones. Drag our tablet shaped one in. Yeah, so we can use the same pictures on the other store, on both the App Store and Google Play. And I will put a link to this in the description so you can just copy the code if you want to use it. It's a little bit different on a Mac. You have to write your directory differently on a Mac, but that's about it. Also, the Unity Asset Store is having a sale, so please use my affiliate link. Peace out, my fellow gangsters.